fascinating.
My thoughts that came into mind is that communism works. Yay!
After watching the video, I realized that I did not know China put that much effort into growing out of poverty.
Very interesting what China is trying to do right now. I didn't know about that. Trying to end poverty before 2020, like way before the limit the UN.
The Chinese government is, at least from what little I know, is very organized and very good at bringing policies into reality.
I see that the government is worried about everyone. That's pretty nice.
I feel great that, they're putting children on the priority of various initiatives, because where poverty is concerned, it's so linked to education as well. So I'm glad that they're prioritizing that. But making sure that it ends by 2020, well, that's a huge promise, and I hope they achieve it.
China still has to do a lot, but the speed at which they're going, I think it would not take that much time.
Okay, China is a growing country, and from the video I've seen, they are trying to eradicate poverty by the year 2020. And with the technology they have ventured on so many things like telephones, electronics, and so many other things. So I guess, to me, China is a growing country, it's a good country.
The government is actually focused on helping the people and lifting people from poverty, which every government should be really working on. If you're not, then you're not doing anything for your people.
Biruin mo sa laki ng populasyon at sa laki ng bansa ng China, nagawa nila yan with the span of 40 years. Talagang mapapawaw ka na lang.
I'm very concerned about poverty in our country because in the United States, because there really is very little care for the poor.
My concern is really that in America we're going closer towards poverty. The Chinese program quite correctly identified access to education and health care to be very important factors, and it's my strong opinion that in America we're going backwards, where the government is cutting money from education, cutting money from health care, and making it difficult for non-wealthy people to get access to those systems.
So I'm from Morocco, and just like pretty much every African country, we do have a lot of poverty. Especially in rural places and countryside in the mountains, they don't have access to like simple basics like food, like hospitals, medical care. That worries me.
Obviously, I can see poverty here in London by lots of homeless people in the street. Also, I know that there is a lot of child poverty as well, and I think the situation in the UK is quite bad in terms of child poverty.
A lot of people in Kenya are poor, so if Kenya can do what China is doing, I think we can also be better. We can get to a better place.
The situation is very alarming in Pakistan, and I hope that Pakistani government will follow the Chinese government and the way Chinese government overcome all the poverty in China.
A huge part of Chinese population right now have been lifted out of poverty. And in Kenya we seem to have the same program. But in Kenya the program doesn't seem like to be working the way it's supposed to be. Though our program was supposed to end, I think, by 2030, we still have a lot of problems with implementation. So maybe my question would be, how well do you need to work on the program to be as effective as in China?
So I just feel that, if one country progresses, it would be wonderful if it passes the goodness and the goodwill to all the other countries, because we're one big family together on this planet. I feel that. And I think together we can really progress by helping one another.
Considering how much success China has had in poverty elevation, China is already doing that, but if it can do it more, like export their ideas, also the manpower or the people or experts who can go to countries like Pakistan or other underdeveloped countries and help the local governments, NGOs, and the population in terms of elevating poverty and creating a better life in those countries.
The world is unfair, right? There's people who are extremely rich and then people who don't even have anything to eat. But once again, I think if you just want to reach something, you can always do it. Just work hard and